wandered through the garden. Carried on the evening breeze. I wandered through the garden.